Okay, here in this example, we're still given the same function, t squared minus 12t plus 20, but now we need to use the vertex to figure out how deep the diver reaches. So again, we have a diver diving off a diving board at some height, which is actually 20 from the problem. Okay, so they dive off, they come, they fall down, they reach the water, and then they come back up. And if they were actually to keep flying, they would reach the top, they would go out of the water. But because they just reach right here. So there's our roots. And then it says it wants to use the vertex, so the bottom of the function. So they're up here, then they dive, and we want to know how deep underwater they go based on this formula. So that's we're going to use the vertex. And we need to remember that the vertex formula is negative b over 2a. So we can find out what a and b are. So we have ax squared plus bx plus c. All right, so b is negative 12 and a is 1. So we plug that in. We have negative 12 over 2 times a 1. So a negative is a positive 12. That's positive 12 over 2, which is 6. So that means that at 6 seconds, okay, right here, we reach our maximum depth. Now let's figure that out by plugging in 6. So we're going to take our original formula, t squared minus 12 times t plus 20. So we're going to plug in 6. Okay, 6 squared is 36. Negative 12 times 6 is negative 72 plus 20. Let's go ahead and pull up my calculator here. All right, we're going to clear off what I did, what I've worked on. And we're going to take 36 minus 72 plus 20. And that is negative 16. Okay, what that means is that we are negative 16 feet under the water. So that is how deep the diver reaches. It is 16 feet underwater.